We can get high, oh na na na. We can get low, oh na na na. Let me be a friend, baby, let me.
Good morning, you guys. So right now we are Chayo. So we're waiting. Monse.
Hold on to me. Until your faith is shaken, there's a whole lot of good on your mind and on my mind. And I know that right now I'd like to play the part to rebuild you one more time. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to
Hey guys, so we just got to our hotel room and it's pretty small, as you guys can see. The first thing that you see when you walk in is the beds. These were two separate beds. This one was over there and that little table over there was right there, but we decided to put them together so we can sleep. And then on the right side there's just some curtains and little windows so you can see outside. Over here on the left side is a closet, and there was 4 hangers so we can hang our clothes in, and then just some drawers, some cabinets, things. Now walking forward, there's just a little chair that you can put whatever you want in. There's a TV, and then the bathroom, which I'm going to show you guys last. On the right side is just a little table that we had right there on that side. And there's a parrot picture, photo, painting. There's those little lights that are cute right there. Then there's a moon and flower painting over here. And now walking to the bathroom, the first thing you see is the sink, obviously, as you guys can see. The mirror right here, my belly. And then these little cute things, I don't know what they're called. The toilet, the trash can, paper. And then over here on the right side is the where you can take a shower. Hot, so it's just the shower.
I do the time for you, tell a lie for you, yeah, baby.